Also, new arrival, the 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, Dark Garnet Red over black, 77,000 actual miles. Numbers matching 390 horsepower, 427 cubic inch V8, and a numbers matching Muncie M20 manual. Side pipes and T-tops, which I think are important on a early 70s or late 60s, early 70s Corvette. I think that side pipes just go with it. You know, they're just add to what that car would have looked like back in the day. And of course the T-tops, they leaked, but who cares?
Who cares?
Yeah, we don't care. My Trans Am
take them off.
doors
Take them off. They won't leak.
They will not leak. They will guarantee to flood you with blood.
And the car dries out faster.
Absolutely.
It's faster.